So we just got to Kayakoy village. This is where the ghost town is. So this is where it's based. So we're gonna have a good tour and a good look around. They must be the ruins up there, innit?
Yeah.
Come on, let's see what's inside. Proper local traditional town this. Let's see where the entrance is. Excuse me, entrance to the ghost town. Is that the entrance? Oh, okay, thank you very much. I think it's down here. It's getting a bit spooky. Yeah. So this is the entrance of the ghost town. Okay. It's very rocky. I should have come here with flip-flops on. Should have definitely come here with trainers on.
Thank you. That way? Okay, thank you. Up that way.
This way. Me.
You go this way,
Yeah.
see more.
You see what? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, right.
You can.
Okay.
If you go that
Oh,
way,
okay.
you will see more.
I see more. Okay. Thank you very much.
The manual place is there.
I thought you said up here, so this is the way I was going. Come on then, let's take a tour. I should have definitely came in shoes, some walking boots or trainers. It's not right for flip-flops at all. Wow. Wow, you don't even know where to start. So this is the ghost town. Definitely in the wrong footwear. 100%.
Definitely not a flip-flop place. Especially not when you've got the cream on your feet.